Wait, you want me to go in it, hey?
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna go in it.
Get away. Let some people come out first. Right.
They really have their loading tanks in the back. Cool. It looks like a tight
You're
fit.
gonna stand with them while they look in the tank? Your brother's looking at the
You're gonna
tank.
go up in there?
Hot dog.
Yeah, you guys go in there.
Just hurt my hand while I'm doing this.
No, time. Tyler. One. If they want to get the three, we're going home. Two. Come on. I want to learn how to do this, but you can't get certain ones.
But you also getting that one.
Oh yeah, go over there with Daddy. You gonna crawl up in there?
How much? What is in this tank?
Hey Kirby, you ready to go to war?
Yes.
Yeah, it opens on top. That's new, but they want us to shut them down in case they hold in somebody's fingers or something like that and things worried about £100.
What is happening?
How do you see?
When it's powered up, it's got thermal imaging and all that good stuff
Wow.
on it.
Wow.
Hey Wyatt.
Hey, Wyatt. Yeah, we are Transformers.
You already checked it out?
Huh?
Daddy, you gonna look up in there?
I'm going now.
Go in there.
I'm going in here. Wow. Wow. Is this a
Yeah, this is where they shoot. It's dark. Warm. Isn't it, Cooper?
Yep.
Look at all those buttons and switches. You're not pressing any of them. Okay, let's go down.
I figured out how to shoot.
Okay, everyone wants to know that, Cooper. Ready to go. Yes, I'm already starting sweating, even though I wasn't.
Come on, Cooper, this way.
Just sitting in there makes you sweat.
That
That was crazy.
Get the corn dog. It's not by me.
You got a corn dog without you now. Oh, I was just in a freaking like 100-degree tank. Well, like it was 100 degrees. Yeah, it's actually a lot harder than you think. Even as a kid, it's kind of hard to get out of.
Mine. Just kidding. You have this. I have it.
Stop hitting me with it.
You have it.
You carry it. That one looks tainted.
It is.
Fine.
I could make a 13-minute video of this.
There's a big straw. There are
Dang, go grab straw.
Where?
there, Danny. Look, on the table right there. By the most of the catch there.
Oh, I see. Oh, come on.
With my mom.
I want to go to the race cars again.
Danny, a corn dog?
They said they weren't hungry.
Come on.
Oh, yeah, he wanted a hot dog.
Watch out, Cooper. Did I just hear one of the front wheel drive cars start up? Yeah, I know that sound. Sounds like a dang sports car, but it's not. It's like a freaking Honda. What is with her signing up for everything? What is with her signing up for everything?
If you don't try, you don't win.
Ah.
She's looking for
Gross. I just like how the tires have Hoosier on them. That's my only thing.
That's racing tires. They all have that on.
Not all of the not all modified do.
Most of them.
Actually, mostly like 99% out of 100. Most of the dirt cars have them. Unless it's like a Hornet Pass. I'm gonna go look over here. These are 72 Adam Road. Who's team 5? Oh my god, it has the 6-7 Speedway on those things. Hey, that car won the feature, I think. Feature winner. One of those cars, maybe the modified, won the feature.
Jimmy, you can hold this.
I'm not holding your teddy bear.
It's your turn, teddy bear. Your teddy bear.
You want to touch the modified? Wow, that is tight. Look at all this dirt. Imagine what it is like climbing out of these. Hey, they even have it off and on to it.
That is broken.
It's not. This car won the feature. It's not broken.
You already know where that's going.
Hey, Cooper.
Want some pictures of them?
Sure. Thank you.
You want some pictures?
Ooh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Come on.
I got two.
Hey, Cooper, this is what we'd be starting out in.
You want a picture of them?
I'm going to put these on my wall or the door. Hey, Daddy, I don't care as long as it has a racing car. Hold on. Race car. Why does this one have 2 seats? What's the point of having 2 seats?
Because that's how many they put in it.
Okay, I'm going to hide in that other seat. See you at the 6-7 Speedway one day. How come all of these cars have the flat? Such. So smooth. I can feel it. Daddy, guess what I want to drive? I want to drive a modified in the street style.
Yes.
What? The car? How's your car down there?
That's right, Cooper.
I already like to put. What are you talking about? It was your car down there. Are you saying that one of those dirt cars? That 7S? That was your car? Wow. Danny, we're gonna get you that one. Where? That DeLorean or something? Or that pink one? Okay, never mind. I want a truck. I want a truck. Yeah.